Good to see you again, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, Khushamdeed. Welcome to Dubai. Zaheer ji, how are you feeling being here? आपने अभी नारा सुना पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद. हम तो कहते हैं क्रिकेट जिंदाबाद. आपका क्या कहना है?
पहले पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, उसके बाद क्रिकेट जिंदाबाद, definitely. And it's a great show, I must say. A lot of people are here and they love to see the game, although we are playing first time this kind of a game. And I must say about Dubai, Dubai combines all of us for sports. Thank you to Dubai that we have come here and you are a great promoter of every sports.
They indeed are a great promoter. We've got full support from Dubai Sports Council. Of course, Nasser ji has been behind it, and with the support of people such as yourself who endorsed it and made this dream become a reality. What do you think audiences and guests are going to expect out there in the 10 over special celebrity versus celebrity cricket match?
It's a very great idea, I must say, that people will enjoy it. The first time they can see in Asia, I must say. This thing happened and it's a good start, I must say. Very good start.
And I hope it's just the start and we have to achieve great heights. Lane, he's all yours.
Sir, how do you feel about the youth and all of the grassroots of things that HKSZ are doing now?
Oh, they have been doing for the past so many years. This time they are doing in Dubai. And it's a nice thing they are doing in Dubai. It's the way they, Dubai like everybody to come here and enjoy Dubai and especially sports and not just sports but everything. So Dubai is a center point for everything. And of course HKSZ they are doing pretty well for the past so many years for cricket, and I hope they will continue doing it.
Indeed. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Zaheer ji. Thank you so much.
I would like to ask Mr. Ghazi from the Dubai Sports Council to please join me. A round of applause for Mr. Ghazi, please, from the Dubai Sports Council to come and say a few words on behalf of UAE Unites Us, on behalf of the Dubai Sports Council, whose chairman again is, ladies and gentlemen, no other than your heartthrob and the one and only Crown Prince, Sheikh Hamdan. So here we are, we've got Mr. Ghazi, and I will like him to say a few words before I will call my main dignitaries and celebrities on stage, because I know the worldwide media is here. But my brothers, once again, I'd like to say a great thank you to, like I say, His Highness and Abu Saudin, Arif Chalfar, and I'll be calling them in a sec. But Ghazi, all yours, my dear.
UAE, put your hands together for Mr. Ghazi!
Thank you very much, first of all. Assalamu alaikum. I would just like to say a few words. I'm not going to last very long here. So, first of all, as he said, 200 nationalities. It's getting more. Whom I see today are just a bunch of families are here. A family of athletes, a family of celebrities, a family of people that are joined by a game, which helps that game to grow. As he said, it's not just for us, it's for the future. As we say it in term that every sportsman knows, a grassroots. So it's a beginning that we hope to see it grow. And other than that, what I'm hoping is everybody to join this night. The sport is the only thing that doesn't need a color, doesn't need a language. Just needs people to pray and play with the spirit of that. So it's a good vision, it's a good start. In Dubai we saw so many things start and so many creative ideas. So hands up to you, it's a creative idea and hopefully it will grow and we'll see more people into it. And thank you very much.
Thank you, Ghazi. Thank you very much. God bless.